all the M3 Macs expected to launch in late 2024 and early 2025. As the debut of the highest-end models of MacBook Air powered by M3 has taken the world of top-tier gadgets by storm, it appears that a lid has been placed atop possibility of further MacBooks receiving M3 chip. However, a recent spate of rumors suggest a couple of more MacBooks on the horizon to get M3 chip installed in them. The fresh Surface report specifically points towards Mac Mini, Mac Studio, and Mac Pro to be on Apple's roadmap for Macs to feature M3 chip. The freshly Surface report specifically points towards Mac Mini, Mac Studio, and Mac Pro to be on Apple's roadmap. Apple announced M2 and M2 Pro Mac Mini models in January 2023, about which Mark Gurman, a Bloomberg correspondent, said last year in July, no iteration of the Mac Mini will be released until late 2024. And literally, we haven't heard from Apple in approximately 26 months in this regard. And considering the follow of 18 months timeline, we can expect the M4 Mac Mini to come out around late this year or maybe in spring 2025. Apple updated the Mac Studio with M2 series chips in June 2023. Mac Studio models come with either the M2 Max or M2 Ultra chip, so we can expect equivalent M3 variants. However, Taiwanese research firm TrendForce reported in January that a new Mac Studio model will launch in mid-2024 with a more powerful M3 Ultra chip than we might otherwise expect. The M3 Ultra chip will be fabricated with TSMC's N3E node, just like the A18 chip that's expected to debut in the iPhone 16 lineup later this year. This means it will be Apple's first N3E chip. N3E is an enhanced version of TSMC's 3nm process, offering slightly better performance and higher production yield. The Mac Pro is currently only available with the M2 Ultra chip configuration, which was introduced by Apple with the M2 series chips at WWDC in June 2023. According to Gurman, Apple is expected to update the Mac Pro with this new high-end chip in the second half of the year. It is anticipated that the next Mac Pro, along with the Studio Mac, will receive an update to include the M3 Ultra chip. Similar to previous generations, this update will likely double the components of the Max version, allowing for up to 32 CPU cores and 80 GPU cores.